struggling with damaged, outdated linoleum tiles, feeling embarrassed about your business look? Introducing Mr. Handyman of South Oklahoma City and Norman, promising top-notch linoleum tile replacement. We offer free consultation, precision tools, and high-quality, durable linoleum tiles for precise replacement. We experience long-lasting tiles enhancing your business aesthetic, minimal disruption, and increased property value. Mr. Handyman transformed my home, swift, clean, and efficient, says satisfied customer Mrs. Johnson. Call Mr. Handyman of South Oklahoma City and Norman today at 405-293-3911. Hurry, limited availability. High demand expected. Reach us at 405-293-3911. Committed to giving you a stellar tile replacement experience with impressive results, we're Mr. Handyman. For impressive tile replacement results, engage with Mr. Handyman of South Oklahoma City and Norman. Call 4405-293-3911